Namaskar class. This is Yevgen Devashri. So today topic is judgment under CPC. In this legal world, judgment given by any court followed by its decree play an important role to define the scope and limitations of any individual. Daily various judgments are pronounced and decree following it took place in the courts of our country. Various civil cases are also being disposed of each working day. These judgments are important as they act as precedent for future declaration. So it is very necessary that they stick to the judicial reasoning without bringing their own discretionary power blindly. After so many judgments and backing it up with the decree, also certain issues do arises which tend to confuse us. Civil Procedure Code 1908 has been drafted very nicely, but then also certain loopholes are there providing leeway for the creeping of unnecessary element has no law seems to perfect for us, but then also efforts should be made to take them somewhere close to the shell of perfectness. Section 2, subsection 9 of the CPC defines judgment. Judgment means a statement given by a judge on the basis of decree or order. The essential element of a judgment is that there should be a statement for the ground of decision. Every judgment, other than that of a court of small cause, should contain a concise statement of the case, point of determination, decision, the reason for such decision. A judgment in the court of small causes may contain only point B and C. Sketchy orders which are not self-contained and cannot be appreciated by an appellate or revisional court without examining all the records are therefore unsatisfactory and cannot be said to be judgment in that sense. In the Supreme Court, in the famous case of Balraj Taneja versus Sunil Madan, a judge cannot merely say suit decreed or suit dismissed. The whole process of reasoning has to be set out for deciding the case one way or the other. Even the small causes court judgment must be intelligible and must show that the judge has applied his mind. The judgment need not, however, be a decision on all issues in a case. Does an order deciding a preliminary issue in a case, example, constitutional validity of a statute, is a judgment. Thank you. I hope you all understand the meaning of judgment.